Now let's quickly run through all of those restoration steps again. First, you're going to collect your seeds somewhere between October and December. Really depends on your local marsh conditions. But remember, green seeds are good, brown seeds are best. Look for this color for the best harvest. You're next going to put your seeds into dormancy for 6 to 8 weeks. Your rhyme to remember that step is keep your seeds cold and wet for 6 to 8 weeks. Don't forget. After that dormancy state, you're going to take your seeds out of the refrigerator, rinse them off, and get them germinating for 1 to 2 weeks. During this step, remember, keep your seeds wet and warm, and Spartina seeds will begin to form. Next, you're going to take those germinated seeds, get them into the ground, and get them growing. This one is an easy one to remember because it's almost the same as the last one. Keep your seeds wet and warm, and Spartina will continue to form. You're going to keep those seeds cultivating, keep them wet and warm in your greenhouse until we're ready for our restoration day at the end of the year. If you have any questions about any of these steps, you can either refer to your manual from training or to this video series. But if you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Seeds to Shoreline partners like South Carolina Sea Grant Consortium or your contact person. As always, have fun and happy planting!